Today, we show you how to make a super healthy alternative to classic crisps, oven-baked kale and sweet potato crisps. Let's get started. Start by rinsing the sweet potatoes and cutting them into thin slices, about 2 mm thick. Season them with extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of paprika. Mix the ingredients together to ensure an even coating on all crisps. The potatoes are now ready for the first round of baking. Arrange them on a tray without overlapping them and place them in a preheated oven at 130 degrees for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, put the kale in a bowl and season it with extra virgin olive oil, salt, and a teaspoon of flaxseed for extra flavor. Once the potatoes are ready, it's time to flip them to make them crispy on both sides. We will also add the kale for the last round of baking, ensuring that it doesn't cover the potatoes. This way, the steam released by the kale will not soften the crisps. Cook for another 20 minutes and you're good to go. Squeeze lemon over the crisps and serve hot. Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing the video.
You can follow the link in the description to see the recipe step by step, to read about its nutritional properties and more. You will also be able to adjust the servings and measurement unit to your needs, making it super easy to cook this at home.
Thank you and have a great day!